Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss speech writing in my video. Speech is used to express thoughts and feelings by articulating sounds. Speech is human vocal communication using language. Each language uses phonetic combination of vowels and consonant sounds. But that is how we speak. But speech writing is something else, and I will clear your doubts today in my video. Talking about the definition of speech, it refers to a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. The faculty or power of speaking, oral communication, ability to express one's thoughts and emotions by speech, sounds, and gestures. Talking about the introduction of speech writing, a speech is a formal talk that a person delivers to his audience. It must have the capacity to hold the attention of the audience with the proper choice of words, expressions, and examples. At the same time, care should be taken not to divert from the main subject. You must keep in mind that it is the speech and you need to begin the draft with addressing the audience, and conclusion should be with the sentence thanking the audience. What is the purpose of speech writing or giving a speech in the public? It is used to convey information orally to a large gathering of people forcefully and convincingly. Second point is to divert the listeners to the speaker's point of view, to pass on a wide range of information to a wide range of audience orally, to express an opinion, share a point of view, experience, observation, etc. Now coming to the right format of writing the speech. First is the introduction. Salutation. Salutation means when we greet the chief guest, fellow speakers and listeners. In the school it is taught we write august assembly, but when we come to the higher classes we can start our speech writing with respected teachers and my dear friends. Coming to the content of the speech writing. First is the key sentence. That means carrying a central theme or issue of the speech. Then expressing one's views, what we feel about the topic, we discuss that. And then we compare and contrast what others feel and what our point of views are in a very better and clear and a very precise way. After giving the introduction and the content, we come to the summing up of writing the speech. That is, conclude by summing up the argument that highlight our viewpoints, and then we thank the audience for listening us or by reading our speech by giving very good closing lines like thank you. Now I am going to discuss some points to remember before writing the speech. A speech must begin with the catchy introduction in the form of an anecdote, quotation, statistical data, or a thought-provoking question. A speech must reflect the speaker's clarity of thoughts, accuracy of facts, and balanced view through a comparison and contrast with the other viewpoints. Bring credibility to thoughts by quoting of adequate supporting data. Infuse humor through anecdotes. Sum up or consolidate ideas, suggestions, measures to improve the situation, personal observations and predictions. Use language that is persuasive and powerful. Marking scheme is the same as for the article. And last one is write thank you at the end of your speech. Students, I have given a solved example in this slide. First is the introduction, the second is the body, that is content, and last is the conclusion. Students, keep in mind that it is another copy of article writing. But in article writing we don't use first or the second person pronouns, and in speech writing we can use that. But it is very easy to convert our ideas of article writing into speech writing. Marks distribution, which I have said earlier also, it is like article that can be easily distributed. If this question comes into 8 marks, then the 2 marks for the introduction, the salutation part, 2 marks for the conclusion or the suggestions we provide, and 4 marks is for the content. But if the same question comes in 10 marks, that is, the word limit will exceed, and there again 2 marks for the introduction and 2 marks for the conclusion or suggestion we provide, and it will be 6 marks for the content. Now let me discuss this solved example which I have provided to you. The introduction is: good evening, honorable chief guest, respected principal, guest, teachers and friends. This line is the salutation, and if you are writing it in proper way, you are easily gaining 2 marks. Then we'll talk about the content. Today I is your name, secretary of youth club of your school, appeal to you to help us in our efforts to organize aids for the victims of the cyclone that lashed our state and resulted in tremendous loss of life, property and agricultural land. Each one of us has to come to the aid of the victims of this calamity. Millions of rupees required to reconstruct the ruined huts and vanished roads, to clear the sand-filled streams and canals, and to feed those who have lost their hearth and home. We need to initiate awareness drives so that the next time there is a natural calamity, people are not caught unaware. Adequate warnings must be given so that the people can take steps to save themselves. This much of content, if you are writing in proper way, giving the proper information and the ideas, or presenting your viewpoint in a very clear and brief and very precise way, you are gaining 4 marks for this content. Talking about the last, that is the conclusion, we can conclude our speech writing with a suggestion or simply concluding it. As I have written, thank you for being patient listeners, and I request all of you to donate generously for this noble cause. That means if I am writing this line in a very proper way and very clear, I am easily getting 2 marks out of it. Students, these speech writing or article writing or anything, any writing skill I am talking about, it can be article, it can be debate, it can be something else. They should be in paragraphs so that it is very easy for the writer, for the reader and your examiner to read it properly and divide the things, and they can easily mark your answer. I hope, students, I am able to clear all the doubts of yours regarding this speech writing, and I hope if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.